What's up, everybody? Today we're talking about social media marketing, and in specific, organic social media and how you can stand out and resonate with your audience. And I promise I'm going to make this as easy to remember as I possibly can. We're talking about the 4 E's of social media. And the first one is educate. Now, before I get into this, every time you post on social media, there should be some type of goal involved. So maybe that's simply just brand awareness. But in this case, it would be hoping to educate your audience. Teach them something new or something that they need to know in order to be successful or achieve a certain outcome. If you can do this, you're going to increase the likelihood that you get those thumbs to stop scrolling. The second E to remember is entertain. This can be as simple as a meme, or it can be a full-on skit that you post on TikTok. But there's a reason why this type of content has performed so well for so long. And that's because people are looking for a break. They're looking for something to distract themselves. And so if they can find entertainment among their scroll, then it's very likely that they'll engage and maybe even shoot you a follow. The next is Evoke Emotion. And this really goes at the heart of all things marketing. If you can get your audience to feel something, then there is such a greater chance that they'll resonate with you, they'll connect with you, and they'll follow you. And it doesn't always have to be sad or something that induces anger. Make them happy, give them a reason to smile, and give them a reason to experience joy. But nonetheless, if you can evoke emotion, then you're already halfway to a conversion or a loyal audience member. And last but not least is engage. Ask your audience questions, open-ended questions that they can leave a comment to answer. Poll your audience on Instagram stories. Use all the tools at your disposal on every single platform to engage with your audience. Social media should not be a one-way street. It's social media. So make sure that you're engaging with your audience. Now, not all posts will have all 4, but if you can hit all 4 in a single post, then chances are it's going to perform extremely well. Another E for you. But try to connect one of these E's to each post, and you're likely going to experience greater and greater success the more and more comfortable you get with goal setting and posting on social media. Those are the 4 E's of social, and if this resonated with you at all, I'm David Belleville with the AmeriLife Marketing Mentors. Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow for more.